Officer, Mumbai Fire Brigade. A firefighter with 20 years of experience who has led numerous successful rescue operations and has been awarded the prestigious Bravery Award for saving lives in some of the largest fire disasters in our region. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. सबसे पहले आप दोनों का मैं सबकी तरफ से धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा. We'd like to salute your service. Thank you very much. Gentlemen, if I could request you to please just step forward. Ladies and gentlemen, before I start my question and answer, एक बार जोरदार तालियां for this phenomenal team.
Good afternoon. सबसे पहले बात ये थी कि ये जो आइडिया था वो राहुल ढोलकिया ने लाया था नितेश और मेरे पास, और जो कहानी थी इस फिल्म की, जिस वेन्यू में ये कहानी सेट है, हमने कभी फिल्म देखी नहीं है फायर फाइटर्स के बारे में, और जो सबसे खास बात थी इस फिल्म की वो ये थी कि ये सिर्फ एक एक्शन मूवी नहीं थी. इसमें जो एक बीटिंग हार्ट है वो है द ड्रामा ऑफ द फिल्म. कि एक तो हम देखते हैं ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज ब्रेवरी, देयर इज करेज, देयर इज सैक्रिफाइस, but there is also bravery and courage and sacrifice shown at home by the family and the families of all these firefighters who go out every single time they are called. So it also spoke about the family, that support is important, that feeling of maybe my husband or my wife is going and may not come back. It captures many different things. और हमें लगा कि एक कहानी, excuse me, एक important कहानी है, नई fresh कहानी है, और जिस तरह से राहुल ने इसे प्रेजेंट किया था, हम जानते थे, हम इसके साथ काम कर चुके हैं पहले. We know that he is going to make something incredible when he puts his heart into it, and the result is here for you to see.
I think the trailer speaks for itself. It's phenomenal. Maniji, first of all, I have to say, because I was talking about teamwork, your collaboration with Excel Entertainment has actually produced the most entertaining, engaging, award-winning content. The fact that you're coming up with another project like this is only, raising the hopes of all the fans. Super excited already. First up, how does Agni pushes the cinematic envelope and what the fans can expect from this spectacular film?
Thank you. Of course, we deeply cherish our partnership with Excel. We've done tons of things, and I'll come to that in a minute. But this is India's really the first film on firefighting and firefighters, and it underscores the evolving landscape of Indian cinema. And Agni sets really a new benchmark in the dramas that we've seen in this country so far. It's a really inspiring story. It blends high-stake drama with a powerful theme of courage, unity, and resilience, right? And this is something we've not seen before so far, so it's very unique. It is cinematic and visually a delight. Of course, you hope to never be in a situation like this, but when you watch from far, this is a cinematic delight for our consumers. It's also an emotional story. मतलब बहुत emotion है. Farhan spoke a little bit about it. These firefighters are not just fighting real fires, but they're also fighting personal battles and personal fires every day. And something that struck with me was the personal fires and how they're dealing with things we're not used to seeing. I think, and our partnership with Excel, we've done everything from Mirzapur, we've done Made in Heaven, we've done tons of films together. And now we're coming to Agni, which we're all very, very excited about, and not just launching in India, but across 240 countries in the world.
Wow. So I'm already excited, sir. And talked about a lot of emotions. Rahul sir, what is your emotion right now? Be honest with us. Are you calm? Are you?
No, I'm calm, but I think I'm very anxious and very happy that this film is out there. It's been, I think, what else can I say?
Let me just say, Rahul is looking forward to getting off the stage.
Yeah. Let the actors come, let them talk.
Very fair enough, sir. Sir, मैं भूषण जी आपसे जानना चाहूँगा.
So that's the main difference. And PMC is blessed and privileged to associate itself with the team Agni. Agni is a part of our life and philosophy, one of the Panch Mahabhut. PMC is proud that we have got the best firefighting unit in the country and probably one of the best in the world, with 4,000 strong man-trained staff and the best of the equipment you can imagine. And so, the kind of a little deprived recognition to the firefighting as a profession and as a firefighter as a person, I think Agni will bring this in a big way, this recognition, and I hope and confident that this Agni will set the OTT on fire. Thank you.
You know, talking about this, let's have a bigger round of applause for that. आपके लिए sir, कभी-कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है for people like us, I think when we say the word like bravery, थोड़ा ऊपर superficially है हमारे लिए क्या ना, आपके लिए उसके क्या मायने हैं सर? अगर आप हमारे साथ शेयर कर सकें please.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू वेरी मच। कुछ मंच पे ज़्यादा बोलने का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, मेरी भाषा में मैं समझाने का कोशिश करूँगा, आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट। एक क्वेश्चन आया था, व्हाट इज ब्रेवरी, बहादुरी क्या होती है? हमारे लिए बहादुरी वही है जो पल में इमरजेंसी आएगी वहाँ पे जाने का, गो देयर, फाइट द फायर, सेव द लाइफ एंड कम बैक। If you are saved, you are lucky. If you are not, you will be. Don't have to. I don't have words about it. It has happened with us. Another one, आपने पूछा कि what is inspiring? Since last 32 years, everybody from our fire services, everybody is hardcore firefighter by way of experience, by way of training, advanced training in the world. Just sir said we are the best in the world. As well, because whatever happens in Mumbai city, the cognizance is taken worldwide, and we are the examples from where the world learns from, and that's what we fight a fire. There are lots of experiences. Even since '93, we have joined. There were riots. We worked in riots, then bomb blasts, then Taj attack, then Lotus fire, then last one was in month of May. The huge hoarding has collapsed in Ghatkopar. Nearly 17-18 people were trapped underneath. Sir was there, and under his guidance and all, continuous he was there with us to help us. By all means, we saved lot of life. Initially, it was the scenario where petroleum products were involved, people were involved, they were trapped underneath, and huge spell of, you can say, gas and petroleum products were there. And in that situation, we have to take decision. We have to think about our men as well, of the people who were stranded below the hoarding, and they were trapped. That was a successful operation, and we saved a lot of people. There was some, I can say, few people they died, but it was a bad incident. Likewise, this is Agni is the story of our daily routine life. Only in our daily routine there is no music, I will say. But this is the sound, whichever is there on the incident. There may be blasts, maybe cylinder blasts, maybe any other things, or flame sound, whatsoever it is. Water reaction with fire and all. Huge, there is a lot of sound. And in that situation, we have to serve people. It is our job, and we do it by wholeheartedly. At that moment, we don't have any thinking about anything. No family, nothing. Only to save the person, to extinguish the fire at any cost. Nothing like that.
Wow. Sir, मुझे नहीं लगता कि हम में से कोई भी कभी शब्दों में या कर्मों में कुछ ऐसा कर पाएंगे कि हम आप सब का धन्यवाद कर पाएं. But with your kind permission, ladies and gentlemen, can we give them a standing ovation? Can we have a standing ovation? Fantastic, narration to life where it has a lot of drama. There's layered emotions as well in an action-packed film. तो कुछ
दादा ने आवाज क्यों दी?
First of all, the concept of the film is that we've seen films on various forces and police and 4Gs and all that, but we've never
कैमरा
seen
चल रहा है
a film on firefighters. And I think internationally you've seen a lot of films like this, but may have seen, but in India we've not. So this is the first film on firefighters, I think. And once I met one, while doing the research, I met one firefighter and he said कि फौजी जो है वो देश संभालता है, बॉर्डर संभालते हैं, हम and how they actually experience and giving them some kind of it's a wrong thing to say, but I think we should respect them a lot more.
We are doing, especially, you know.
And then when I took it to Farhan and Ritesh, and the story development is what I'm going to talk about next, is that they've been so involved in the whole process. So from the first day of the concert till today morning show floor, they're involved. So I think that's great for a film like this, because you need all everybody to work in
झूम होता है ये देख झूम होता है सब होता है करना झूम किया मैंने
Vijay wrote the dialogues and he wrote the film script.
देख साइड एक पोज दे
It's
रही है
incredible. Because it's an intense subject, right? So you need to bring
सही नहीं, सही, सही.
So that's where he brought his expertise and also the Marathi flavor, which we have because it's about Mumbai family. So I think it's
What are the unique elements in this film which sets it apart from all the stories you've shared before?
सारे जाना था
I think what makes it unique, you can see by the title, you're getting to see a film on a firefighter. We've not seen a story like that come out of Indian cinema. And it's not only, so it's not a docu kind of a feeling about it, but you're trying to bring a story to the forefront, give it its recognition. I think that was the single idea which Rahul had. I mean, I think when he came to me, he said, I want to do a film which is based on firefighters because they actually don't get the recognition they deserve. They do the smallest of jobs which we're not aware of, and a lot of it I got to know what I mean. Otherwise, you'll only know that firefighters come in when there's a fire, but there's so much more they do every day, even when there's not a fire happening. So you get to learn that through the film, you get to understand their personal story. So I think the whole drama of it, the kind of inspiration this movie provides, the kind of discussions which will arise after you watching it. So I think it's going to bring it to the forefront of the audience which we've not had before. So I think it makes it very unique, and I think we're grateful that Rahul brought it to us to bring it into one of the films in the Excel slate, which is to come forward.
And I must compliment the fact that you truly mentioned it. Doesn't look like a docudrama or something. It is very engaging. Looks like a mega blockbuster film. And Pranav, when you make a film as important and as relevant in today's time, what is your opinion on the fact that how a film like this will shape or create new genres? And is there a personal connect also with the film?
Well, I think the personal connect is the respect that all of us have for the fire department. That is the personal connect. I also want to quickly just say thank you to Bhushan Ji and Ravindra Ji. Without their support and without the support of the people that work with them, this film was not possible to be made. यहाँ जो actors बैठे हैं stage पे, they of course have done an incredible job in the film. But apart from them, all the firefighters that you see in the film are actual firefighters that came and worked on.
Wow.
I mean, we at Excel in partnership with Amazon have tried for a long time to keep making molds, trying to bring different kinds of stories that are away from the story or something formulaic that is currently the trend of the year, trend of the season. So that's what we keep trying. Sometimes we succeed, like with Agni, and sometimes we don't, but the endeavor goes on. So that's really what it is, and I just hope that when this film does come out, all of you all do watch it, because I know after having seen it, after having interacted with Rahul, with the entire team, that they've put together something that really, really has a beating heart.
Worldwide. It's not just inspiring, it's also deeply thought-provoking. Like the line in the film, and of course I've watched the film, I love the film. The line in the film says, cycle bhi CD pe. From that time I've been walking around in my own society and saying, cycle andar rakho. It's things that you're not very mindful of. So it is going to be a conversation starter. It is thought-provoking. Of course, this is Rahul's directorial after Raees. They're so excited to see his work after Raees now, and this is going to be if not more, as exciting. So that's another really exciting point for us. The cast, just all sitting here, you'll see them, play characters you've never seen them play before. Like seeing them in these firefighting suits, seeing them at home with their family. Like it's both sides of the professional and the personal lives that you see in the film. And of course, it's not just action but the emotion, right? And those are really the things that I'm personally excited about.
I'd also like to compliment the entire cast who's sitting here, because the kind of body of work you've created, the kind of iconic characters you all have created, सब ऐसा लग रहा था कि Firefighters में उस कहानी के किरदार हैं. Let's have a big round of applause for the cast there. And Prateek, आप दिव्येंदु के साथ अभी पिछले प्रोजेक्ट में थे जहाँ पे फैंस ने बहुत मस्ती करते देखा. How does that camaraderie bring in more, kind of thing? Was it fun on this one as well, or was it different?
It was too much fun. In fact, we shot this film first.
अच्छा.
Yeah. And इसकी दोस्ती शायद उसमें ज़्यादा दिखी है हमारी.
Okay.
पर इसमें हमारा जो पेंटर है, हमारी जो दोस्ती और दुश्मनी साथ में दिखती है, that's more fun in this film.
So, if you could just share one good thing about working with him.
That's difficult.
So, let's have one bad thing.
That's also difficult because that's a list. But working with Divyendu is very difficult because it's difficult to concentrate when he's around. एक तो आपको कोई देखता नहीं है when he's around. He's talking about my looks.
Yeah. No, so Divyendu will return the favor. One thing you don't like about him. चलो रहने देता हूँ.
जल्दी फोटो मत डालो यार.
Prateek is a great guy and
बहुत देर में लग रहा है इधर लाके देखो.
I like that he has no ego.
इधर हो नहीं रहा है वो.
If he has any problem, he comes to me and says, "Divyendu, मुझे सीन नहीं हो पा रहा, कैसे करना है?"
लगा कैसे हो गया वो? दबाया तो था हम लोगों ने भी. गलत दबाया. ऐसा कैसे दबाया?
It's fantastic. You created another iconic character on Prime, and of course with the same team. When you do a character in Agni, which is more, real life, how does that, and your fans when they look at it, what can they expect first from this character, and second, where does this character fit in your body of work as well?
For me, it's quite a different part to play. When we talk about Munna, that's a completely different world and character. But doing Agni was also, I really like it as an artist, but also it was a responsibility that whatever we are doing, we have to do it with, with all our heart and just do it right. I mean, so it's one of those films where. Honestly, I mean, my character, yes, I really thoroughly enjoyed it, but to be part of that world was even more important for me. So I just wanted to be part of this film, to just represent what firefighters go through. Although I represent the police, but that's the whole banter in the film as well. But again, for me, it was more important to be part of this film.
Fantastic. So, thoughts? Think you.
Guruji है, गुरुजी के बारे में क्या बोलते हैं? But what he said that he is playing super top in the film, and that also brings a lot of conflict in my character and in the world of firefighters. But the kind of conflicts that these two characters are having, these two different worlds are having, their point of view about the same incident is different because of their background, because of their training and everything. And that makes it even more interesting and intriguing. So film में भी वही है, and that's more fun. That makes it enjoyable for the viewers. And हमारा पूरा banter जो film में चल भी रहा है वो भी वैसा ही है. So I guess it'll add up to it.
सही जो है वो आप दोनों के बीच में बैठी हुई हैं. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, you work with so many people. You got a great body of work as well. How was it working with these two and of course the entire cast? If you could share.
I think I'm very fortunate to be a part of such amazing group of people, talented people. And जैसा कि आपने बोला, हम बीच में बैठी हूँ, मेरा अक्सर फिल्म में भी सैंडविच हो रखा है. I play his sister and his wife. So I think for somebody who goes out and works and has a risky job like this, it is very important for them to have a very peaceful, delightful environment at home. So I think I play that part. I'm handling the domestic side, एंड मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं अग्नि का फूल हूँ, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी अ फूल ऑफ अग्नि.
Wow. That's a nice title you feel for yourself. Saimi, I'd like to ask you, you play a firefighter. How did you prepare for the role, and what was the most rewarding thing when you played your character?
Firstly, good afternoon to everyone here, and thank you to the whole fire department for what they've done for our film. There's just something about the uniform, like just look at them.
Oh yeah.
So I think the first memory I have is of Farhan with Laksh, and it's always this thing of there's something about a person in the uniform. So when I heard about the script and I sat with Rahul, it was just very exciting, the whole process of becoming a firefighter, I feel. And even when the teaser came out, there were so many comments which said, "अरे ये फिल्म ही मत बनाओ, female firefighter होते नहीं हैं." So our lack of knowledge that the department has so many female firefighters, and I have to say that I was very unaware with a lot of things that the fire department did as well. So I think this film has been a big learning. It's been great fun, as you can see the banter. And this is my second with Amazon, first with Excel, so it always will be special. First, second, thirds, they're all very special.
जितेंद्र भाई, आप काफी सीरियस लग रहे हैं. सर, मैं कह रहा हूँ जितेंद्र, आप काफी सीरियस लग रहे हैं. तो
नहीं यार, सोच रहा हूँ मतलब.
मैं तो सर ये पूछ रहा था, कैसा रहा आपको इन सब के साथ काम करके? सीजन एक्टर है सर, देखो
बहुत ही मजा आया. लेकिन उससे पहले जाकर मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि हमें बचपन से कुछ कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती हैं, है ना?
कुछ किया
तो विक्रम बेताल की कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती है, शूरता वीरता की कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती हैं. अगर छोटे बच्चे को कुछ काम निकलवाना होता है तो माँ बाप कहते हैं कि देख ले, शोर मत कर वरना पुलिस वाला आ जाएगा. कभी आज तक ये फिल्म मिलने से पहले तक, मतलब ये फिल्म जब मिली और मैंने इसको पढ़ा तो मुझे शर्म महसूस हुई इस चीज़ की कि बचपन से लेकर आज तक मुझे कभी मेरे माँ बाप ने, कभी मेरे घर वालों ने किसी फायर फाइटर की कहानी ही नहीं बताई थी. और ये कहानी जब मुझे ये मैंने पढ़ी और जब ये किरदार पढ़े तो ऑफकोर्स एक्सेल प्रोड्यूस कर रही है ये फिल्म, राहुल ढोलकिया जैसे निर्देशक इसको डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं और ये सारी कास्ट है. तो एज एन एक्टर आपको ये मौका लगता है कि बहुत अच्छा मौका है यार, इसमें काम करूँगा ना बहुत अच्छा कुछ हो जाएगा. इससे परे जाकर जब हम लोग वर्कशॉप के लिए गए ना, और जब वर्कशॉप किया, वर्कशॉप करते करते जब इनकी और कुछ इनके अनुभव सुने, एक्सपीरियंसेस सुने, उसके बाद ऐसा लगा कि यार ये करियर से परे, ये सिनेमा से परे, ये कहानी बहुत ज़रूरी है. जैसे कि मेरी बच्ची को, आने वाली पीढ़ी को ये कहना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये लोग बहुत अहमियत रखते हैं. और फिर एक चीज़ मन में आई कि एक ही चीज़ हो, ये फिल्म देखने के बाद, जैसे हम लोग आर्मी का कोई जवान दिख जाता है या पुलिस वाला दिखता है तो हम लोग सलाम करते हैं, तो ये फिल्म देखने के बाद हर फायर फाइटर अगर दिख जाए रास्ते में तो उसको एक सैल्यूट करना चाहिए. काम करते हुए तो बहुत अच्छी टीम थी. तो जब एक्टर्स सभी अच्छे हों, डायरेक्टर अच्छे हों, और मैं और एक चीज़ स्टेज से कहना चाहूँगा कि मैंने आज तक मैंने जितना काम किया है, मैंने कभी किसी सेट पे जूनियर्स के लिए इस तरीके का इंतज़ाम नहीं देखा. जो एक्सेल के सेट पे जूनियर्स जहाँ पे बैठे हुए होते वहाँ पे एनाकोंडा होते, तो मैंने नहीं देखा आज तक. मैं कहने का मतलब ये कि
कल सुबह अभी आधे घंटे में न्यूज में आ जाएगा, एक्सेल वालों ने जूनियर में छोड़ा एनाकोंडा.
कहने का मतलब ये कि बहुत अच्छा
इसका जो क्रेडिट सिर्फ हम नहीं ले सकते. यहाँ पे जो बैठे हैं कासिम और शिवानी, विकी, जो ऑल राउंड, इन लोग सब बहुत मेहनत करते हैं.
तो अब ये फिल्म बहुत अच्छी बनी और ये वो सक्सेस और फेलियर के परे वाली जाने वाली कुछ कहानियाँ होती हैं कि जो रह जाती कहनी चाहिए. तो मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ राहुल ढोलकिया और एक्सेल का कि आपने ये कहानी कही और मैं खुशनसीब हूँ कि मैं उसका एक हिस्सा हूँ।
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. उदित, अभी जितनी भी बात कर रहे थे वर्कशॉप की, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा how has it been, working and preparing for the role, and how did, as an actor, you approach, towards the emotional scenes and everything?
Yeah, I think any project that you do as an artist, it's fictionalized and whatever, and you are going, it has its dynamics and everything. But this kind of project is special because as an artist, you get to learn a lot. Like, you don't pay attention to a lot of things when you're going about in your life, right? But these kind of projects lets you to see that you haven't seen before. Like, I didn't know about anything. Like Jitu Bhai said, I also felt ashamed. Like when the first time I experienced everything, I thought, shit, I don't know anything about them. So, like the kind of that life that they live. The first time I asked myself this question that, will I leave everything right now if I've been called for duty? And the answer was no. Then the question came, why? Why would you do that? So, to just imagine that sacrifice that they make, putting someone else's life above theirs. So, I think it's a very, very learning experience, and I'm very glad that I'm part of this movie. It's a very, very important movie.
So, I truly agree. इस फिल्म के टीजर से पहले आप में से कितने लोग, be honest ना, raise your hand, आप में से कितने लोग जानते थे about the life of any firefighter? How many?